Yes, Flash supports multi-touch. In a couple of minutes I will show you how you can actually develop multi-touch applications in Flash. It's very, very easy. You can have two possibilities of developing multi-touch applications. First of all is utilizing touch points, and second of all you can use gestures. And with gestures, you doesn't have to have necessarily like multi-touch display. You can also have something like multi-touch trackpad or touchpad, and this information you can get inside Flash. So in the last couple of months, I was working with my friend on this project. It's basically multi-touch plasma. Yes, it's 50-inch multi-touch plasma, and it's basically running on Windows 7. And the Flash is getting native information about multi-touch things into the Flash. So this is basic game, We are in the first step now. It's been mainly for prototype research, but now we are moving to, let's say, more sexy demos. So if you will be checking my blog soon, I will be adding more applications. So how does it work? Yeah, just move this here and come back to Flash CS5 like that. And we have here application. It's Adobe R application. Just change the input mode to gesture. Like that. And we also add a couple of listeners. One of them is going to be for panning. This is for two fingers when you are moving with the logo on pan. Then we also add another event listener. Rotation, so on rotate. Then we can also add another one listener for rotation, for zooming, sorry. So transform gesture event, zoom, on zoom. Now we just implement these three functions. So on pan, event, transform gesture event. Another one on zoom, event, transform gesture event. And the third one on rotate and transform gesture event. And last thing we have to do is reflect the information we get to the logo. So offset X for moving the position, my sprite Y, event offset Y, my sprite scale X. Like that. Here we add the difference, the delta, even scale X. Same thing for scale Y. And the last thing, rotation. And here we just add rotation, like that. When we launch the application, what we can do now is we can actually utilize all these gestures. So I'm now zooming on the trackpad. I can also rotate like that. And I can also pan the logo. So really, how many lines I wrote? 15, 16, and here we go. The application is now utilizing multi-touch inside Flash. So yeah, like that. So if you want to try developing multi-touch applications in Flash, you can download either Flash CS5 or a Flash Builder 4 and start working with it. Have a look at a class called multi-touch. It's in the package flash.ui.multitouch, and you can start working with it right away. So the other thing I want to show you is basically Adobe R. Adobe R basically enables you to develop applications which are standalone on computers, so for Mac, Linux, and Windows. And these applications you can then sell through Adobe Market, or you can just let people download them from your website. I'll show you a couple applications, and then you will tell me what you think. The first application I want to show you is basically Catalog for browsing, let's say, clothes and wearable things. Just update later. Close this. And you can basically browse the content like that. So you browse the catalog. If you like something, This is bikini. I like them. I just check they are okay on me. Yeah, it looks good. I add them to back. See, easy animation, and so on. But what if I bought this red trousers? And I want red t-shirt or something red on me as well. Then I would have to go through all the catalog and find red things. No, that's not the way. I use color search. And just check this color. Or check different color. And if you are like slightly moving between the colors, you can see it's slightly changing like that. Blue, green, yellow, and so on. So this is really just for inspiration. If you ever will be building such a shop, could be a nice idea for you. What do you think? I guess so. So, the other application I want to show you is called Airline. It's basically for booking tickets. And all these applications are built with Flash, so with ActionScript or with XML language. And you can search flights, where from, let's say North America, San Francisco, to Amsterdam, when, just say when do you want to fly, you set the time, like that. You set who's flying with you, first class obviously, search. Now searching, and we get this ticket, and for instance this ticket, itinerary, buy, say report, and so on. So really, this application is changing the size and the proportions according to the needs of the user. So you don't have to bother the user with the whole page or block with some other information. This is only showing the information you really need. And by the way, the other cool thing about Adobe Air applications is that they have offline storage. So they actually save your tickets offline or save data offline into SQLite database. So if you open it while on train or on bus and you have no internet connection, you can come back to your tickets and see them and so on.